The most basic reason why we buy a car is to be able to move around. So with that said, what we should all be checking for is reliability. In today's video, we'll be showing you the cars that will give you instant regret after buying them because simply they're not reliable. Hold on to your money and let's get started. Car, the Jargur XF. This elegant sedan scored 24.5 out of 100 in terms of reliability. According to warranty-wise data, the most common issues with the Jargur XF were related to its electrical systems, which on average cost £1,778 to fix. The most expensive repair recorded for this model was a severe engine fault that came with a staggering price tag of £8,446 to rectify. Moving on to the 9th place, we find the Land Rover Discovery. The Discovery, known for its off-road prowess, had a combined reliability score of 23.3 out of 100 for both the current and previous generation models. Warranty-wise identified common issues with the car's electrical systems and revealed an average repair cost of £2,040. The most expensive repair for the Land Rover Discovery was an engine-related fault, which reached a whopping £11,947 in expenses. At number 8 on our extended list belongs to the Audi A4. This popular German sedan had a reliability score of 21.9 out of 100. Warranty-wise data highlighted the most common problems in this vehicle were related to the transmission, and the average repair cost for these issues was £1,634. The most expensive repair for an Audi A4 was a transmission fault, coming in at a hefty £7,102 to fix. In 7th, we find the BMW 7 Series. This luxurious and prestigious sedan scored 21.3 out of 100 for reliability. Warranty-wise identified electrical system issues as the most common problem, with an average repair cost of £2,289. The highest repair cost for the BMW 7 Series was an engine fault, with a jaw-dropping price tag of £13,287 to make it right. Taking the 6th spot for the least reliable car on our extended list is the Range Rover Sport. This high-end SUV scored a mere 20.2 out of 100 for reliability. According to warranty-wise data, the most common issues with the Range Rover Sport were again related to its electrical systems, with an average repair cost of £2,671. The most expensive repair recorded for the Range Rover Sport was a severe engine fault, and it required a staggering £17,392 to resolve. The BMW X6, a sporty SUV, is another German vehicle in our list. The current model was excluded from this reliability survey, and the data only covers the previous generation and the very first X6, which scored a combined 23.6 out of 100. The average repair cost for these cars came to £2,079, with the most common fault being a suspension issue. The most expensive repair for the BMW X6 was a significant £9,613 to fix a faulty fuel system. Interestingly, this is the second BMW on the list with a problematic fuel system. In the 4th place, we have the Porsche Panamera, another premium German car. This ranking encompasses both the first-generation model and all versions of the current model. Together, they scored 23.4 out of 100. Electrical issues were once again a common theme in luxury cars, with the average repair cost for Panamera's electrical issues standing at £1,617. The priciest repair recorded for the Panamera was a faulty timing chain, costing a substantial £10,785. Now, let's delve into the top 3, or should we say the bottom 3. 3rd place goes to the Range Rover Sport, the the first British car on our list. This ranking includes older versions of the previous generation Range Rover Sport and the very first model on sale until 2013. They scored 23.1 out of 100 in terms of reliability. Suspension issues were the most common problems, with an average repair bill of £1,767. However, the most expensive repair for the Range Rover Sport was a severe engine issue, amounting to a staggering £22,358. The second least reliable car on our list is the BMW M3. We're not referring to the latest model, as it's too new to be included. Instead, we're talking about the previous F80 generation and the earlier E90 models. These older M3s scored just 21.4 out of 100 for reliability. The most common issue, according to WarrantyWise, was related to the electrical system, specifically the throttle body, with an average repair cost of £2,123. The most expensive repair bill for an M3 was a gearbox issue, reaching a substantial £12,115. Finally, we arrive at the least reliable used car you can buy, the previous generation Range Rover. With a meager reliability score of just 20.2 out of 100, these vehicles had an average repair bill of £1,607. The most common problems were all electrical faults. However, one particular Range Rover had such a severe electrical issue that it required a staggering £23,890 worth of parts and labour to rectify. Interestingly, you could potentially purchase an entire previous generation Range Rover for that price, though it might come with its own set of repairs. I hope you enjoyed this detailed analysis of the reliability, common issues, and repair costs associated with the BMW X6 and other vehicles in our extended list. It's essential for prospective car buyers to consider these factors when making their next vehicle purchase decision. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking the video and exploring more content on CarWow. Thank you for watching.